Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we start, I would like to thank everyone for supporting my YouTube channel. And today, we are going to make a roasted tuna panga. First, let us all prepare the necessary ingredients. Ginger, garlic, green chili pepper, black pepper, sugar, calamansi, plastic bag, fish sauce or patis, and lastly, the tuna panga. First thing to do is to make a sauce for marinating. Mix all together the fish sauce, calamansi or lemon juice, garlic, green pepper, ginger, black pepper, and the sugar. After mixing the sauce, place the tuna inside the bag and marinate it for 3 hours. But for best result, you can marinate it overnight. And now, we are ready to roast our tuna panga until it is fully cooked. And there you go, we have our very own roasted tuna panga. If you enjoyed this video, I'd be very grateful if you help me spread by sharing it to any of your friends. For any feedbacks or suggestions, let us know in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you and stay safe.